This is 15 minutes beginner's daily yoga routine. With gyms and offices shutting down, this video is focused on utilizing our precious time into a higher purpose of learning yoga. If you have never practiced any of the yogic postures or breathing exercises, then this should be the video to get you started with this divine practice. Let's not focus on the fear, panic and the noise created by the media. Instead, channelize our energy into something like yoga, which will boost our immunity and help us to stay happy in the long run. This video is in association with Arata, who have come with their brand new range of plant-based toxin-free products. More about that later. Now let us get started with the video. One more thing, this video is not just to watch but to follow along. So come on, let's do it together. Every morning after you have woken up, had your morning glass of water, go freshen up and get ready to practice yoga, preferably outdoors without eating anything. All you would need is a yoga mat and an open mind to start with. Yoga mat preferably made of cotton, or you can even use a towel or a bed sheet. It is important to prevent the earthing of the energy that gets generated in the process. Just as you warm up before starting any workout, even here we will do a light warm up. Stand straight facing east. Starting from the toe and rhythmically moving up, we will lubricate all the joints. Move your toes thrice clockwise and thrice anti-clockwise. These little exercises have been referred to as Sukshama Vyayama in the yogic scriptures. Next, kick 5 times each. You need not push yourself too much. Just do as much as your body is comfortable doing. Now bend your knees and rotate them clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times. Doing this light warm-up will release the excess air trapped in your joints, freeing them, making them more agile. Moving up to the waist, rotate it similarly, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Practice it with a positive mindset, with a smile on your face. Any problems with the back, you will be relieved. Next, we will exercise the joints of the hands. Most of the time, we focus on big muscle groups, missing out on smaller muscles and joints. This is simple yet a powerful exercise to strengthen your gripping power. Slowly do it with complete involvement. Moving on to the shoulders. Place both your hands like this and stretch them out. First sideways and then towards the front. 5 times each. One of the best exercises if you are suffering from cervical problems. Moving to neck. Look to your left, look to your right, look up, look down. Now slowly rotate your neck in the clockwise direction. Do it 3 times. Make sure that you do not strain it. Slowly do it. Now rotate it in the opposite direction 3 times. Feeling the tension getting released off your neck muscles. It's very relaxing. Close your eyes if you want. Similarly, exercise your eyes. Left, right, up, down. Rotate clockwise. And then anti-clockwise. So this completes your warm-up. An effective way to increase the blood circulation proportionately in all parts of the body. Now let's do Suryanamaskar, the sun salutations. A powerful yogic practice combining 12 asanas to stimulate the sun's energy within you. It's also a prayer of gratitude towards the sun, the source of life on this planet. Facing the sun, move to the edge of your mat. Bring your palms together in front of the chest in prayer position. Breathing in, lift the arms up and back. Breathing down, bend forward from the waist and bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. Do as best as you can. Breathing in, push your left leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the front and look up. Now take the right leg back, eyes onto your navel. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Rest your chest and chin on the floor. Then slide forward and raise the chest up into a cobra pose. Look up. Breathing out, lift the hips and tailbone up to bring the body onto an inverted V pose. Breathing in, this time bring the left foot forward in between the two hands. Look up. Breathing out, bring the right foot forward. Breathing in, rolling the spine up, raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit. As you exhale, first straighten the body, then bring the arms down. Relax in this position and observe the sensations in your body. This completes one set of Suryanamaskar. Now lie down. We will practice 3 important asanas before starting with the breathing exercises. First is Pawanmuktasana or the gas release pose. Arms beside your body, palms facing the ceiling. Bring both your legs together. Bend your right knee. Bring it towards your chest. Interlocking your fingers, press your thigh on your abdomen. Breathe in again, and as you exhale, lift your head and chest off the floor, trying to touch your nose and then your chin. Hold this position for a few seconds. Now release your head, your hands, and then your leg. Follow the process similarly with your left leg this time. Practice it happily. With increased blood circulation in the internal organs, it is a powerful asana for your digestive system, relieving constipation and gas problems. This time bend both your knees. Bring it towards your chest. Raise your hands. Interlock your fingers. Press your thighs on your abdomen. Breathe in again, and as you exhale, lift your head and chest off the floor, trying to touch your nose and then your chin. Hold this position for a few seconds. Now release your head, your hands, then your legs. Relax. Next is Markatasana. Fold your both legs at the knees and keep them near to the hips. Spread both the hands at the level of your shoulders. Now turn your knees towards the right side while your neck on the left side. Hold this position for a few seconds. Breathe normally as you notice the tension releasing of your back muscles. Now slowly come back to the previous position. Then move your knees to the left while the neck towards your right. Hold for a few seconds. Any level of back pain, this is the best exercise. Now come back to the previous position. Slowly stretching your knees down. Relax. Moving on to the Naukaasana. The boat pose is highly effective in reducing the belly ponch, toning your abs. Keep your arms straight. Your fingers outstretched towards your toes. Start inhaling, and as you exhale, lift your feet off the ground. Now stretch your arms towards your feet. Feel the tension in your stomach area as the abdominal muscles contract. Let the weight of your body rest entirely on the buttocks. Hold your breath and remain in this position for a few seconds. Now exhale slowly as you bring the body down to the starting position and relax. So this completes the set of postures especially designed for a modern lifestyle. Now let's do breathing exercises. Sit down. You can choose between Sukhasana, Ardha Siddhasana, Siddhasana, Padmasana, whatever is comfortable to you. Back should be straight, neck straight, relax, smile on the face. We will start with chanting Om 3 times. Close your eyes. Focus in between your eyebrows. Deep breathe in and slowly breathe out, chanting Aum is not a sound related to one particular religion. Vedas call it Udgit, the sound of the universe. Aum is the essence of ultimate reality. It unifies everything in the universe. The vibrations created by this sound helps cleanse, balance and purify your prana, creating an aura around. Feel it and let your ego melt along. Now we will practice Bhastrika Pranayama or deep breathing. Sit with your back straight. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale completely through your nose. Do not inhale or exhale through your mouth. Keep doing it for about a minute. The Sanskrit word Bhastrika means bellows, mostly used by blacksmiths to melt metal. Like the bellows fan the fire, similarly Bhastrika Pranayama surges the flow of air into the body to produce heat at both the physical and subtle level, stoking the inner fire of mind and body. With every inhalation, feel as if positivity is flowing into your body. And with every exhalation, feel as if the toxins and negativity is being pushed away. It instantly energizes the entire body and calms the mind. Next comes in Kapalbhati or rapid exhalation. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Back straight. Expel the breath with forceful contractions of the abdominal muscles. Made up of two Sanskrit words, Kapala meaning skull and Bhati meaning shining, Kapalbhati is among the most powerful yogic exercises. Make sure that you are exhaling throughout. Don't worry about inhaling. The point between two exhalations is when your body automatically inhales. Just keep exhaling. As there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 outward strokes of breath is ideal for a beginner. Slowly you can increase it to 70, 80. Kapalbhati rejuvenates the whole body and keeps the face young and vibrant. It tones up the digestive system. You can actually experience some burping while doing Kapalbhati, indicating the release of the excess air trapped in the digestive tract. Had a late heavy dinner last night? Don't forget to do Kapalbhati the next morning. Yogic pranayama is all about doing with a happy, cheerful mind, with a positive outlook, with utmost faith and involvement, feeling that the nerves are opening up, the internal organs are being exercised, your heart is pumping better. Any health issue you might be facing, Kapalbhati has a positive impact on it. Do it for at least 2 minutes. Next we will do Agnisaar. Sit straight and inhale a deep breath through your nose. Exhale completely through your nose. Now contract and expand the stomach as many times as you can. 10 times is a good number. If you are facing any digestive issues, Agnisaar is what you should definitely not be missing. It strengthens the digestive system big time. Do it for 5 times and that's good for a start. Next is Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. Close your eyes, be in Dhyan Mudra. With your right thumb, close the right nostril. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Now release the right thumb, place the middle two fingers on the left nostril and exhale completely from the right nostril. In the same position, inhale from the right nostril. Release the fingers, place the right thumb again on the right nostril and exhale from the left nostril. This completes one circle. Repeat. Any abnormality in the body, physical or mental, arises from the imbalance of the 3 doshas, namely Vata, Pitta and cuff, and Anulom Vilom is considered to be the most effective in balancing them. A person practicing Anulom Vilom daily is bound to receive miraculous benefits both physically as well as mentally. It is also called Nadi Shodhan, cleansing the two subtle channels Ida and Pingala, the masculine and feminine energies within. There is a scientific reason as to why it always starts with the right hand first, why the thumb is placed, why only the two middle fingers are placed on the other side. It is an advanced practice yet so easy to do. Make sure that the inhaling and exhaling time is approximately equal. Anulom Vilom connects you to nature. It connects you to the universe. It's relaxing. It's rejuvenating. Practice it for at least 2 minutes. Moving on to the Bhramari or the bee breath. Close your eyes and breathe in deeply. Now close your ears with your thumbs. Place your index fingers just above your eyebrows and the rest of your fingers softly placed over your eyes. Now concentrate your mind on the area between your eyebrows. Keep your mouth closed. Breathe out slowly through your nose while making a humming sound of Om. Do it 5 times. Assume that you are being connected to all the positive energies of the universe. As if you are sitting at the axis and the whole universe is revolving around you. An amazing practice for the brain. It positively stimulates the nervous system. Stress, anxiety, depression, insomnia, anger issues, weak concentration power, you name it. Bhramari has the power to cure it. It even stimulates the pineal and the pituitary glands, supporting their proper functioning. Last but not the least, to conclude this yoga session, close your eyes and lie down in Shavasana for a minute. It's like cooling down the body. Each cell in your body is thanking you for completing this session. Be proud of yourself. Be joyful. Pledge to remain cheerful all day long. Pledge that you will be polite to others. Pledge that you will treat everyone today better than you want yourself to be treated. Well done. You have completed this yoga session.
So friends, how was it? I hope you enjoyed your first session of yoga. Feel free to take rest in between if you want to. Yoga is all about comfort and being relaxed. This is a basic routine yet so rejuvenating. Although once you are able to commit yourself to it for about 3 months, then you can increase the duration proportionately. Trust me, you will thank yourself for spending 15 minutes of your day on it. The satisfaction of a peaceful, calmer mind obtained from it is unimaginable. 1 week of daily practice is good enough to start experiencing the benefits. However, the key is to stay consistent.
After yoga, you can get ready for the day with Arata's newly launched 100% cruelty-free plant-based grooming products. A refreshing toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, face wash, body lotion, styling hair gel, hair cream, hempocado oil and face serum cream. Most importantly, no toxic stuff. All these products by Arata are made from 100% nature-derived ingredients. To buy them, click the link in the description box. Apply the special discount coupon FITTuber30 to get 30% straight off.
So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, then please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. What next would you like to see on this channel? Comment below. You can now support my work on Patreon so that I can bring more well-researched videos for you. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram where I regularly do Q&A sessions. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.